and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Halley, and today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine. So I just got done with a full face of makeup, and I just thought this would be the perfect time to show y'all how I go through the process of taking off my makeup every single night and the skincare that comes afterward. So starting out, I'm just going to pull my hair back with a cute little clip. I'm just going to push it all to the back and just take the top layer and pin it. Okay, so now that I've washed my hands, I'm going to go in with the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. And this is what I use every night to take off my makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and take off my eyelashes for the day. The best feeling ever, right? And I'm just going to take a little dime size on my hand, just like this. And I'm just going to rub it, and I'm going to start. And right now, like in the beginning, you won't really see a lot. But once I get to my eyes where I have mascara, you'll see a lot. Next, I'm going to go in with the Clinique Take the Day Off Micellar Cleansing Towelettes for face and eyes. And I really like these because they're very gentle on the face, and unlike some other makeup wipes, they are very long. So they will take off your makeup pretty good. So I'm just going to go in with this, and I'm going to start wiping off my makeup. Okay, so after just one, I'm sure you can see all of my makeup almost looks completely off. So we'll just go ahead and throw this in the trash. So next, I'm going to go in with the Dermalogica Special Cleansing. And this, you really don't need very much. Just a little bit, because it comes out pretty quick. And I like to do a dry face wash, and it really works a lot better. So you just lather it in your hands, and then you start circular motions up, and you're just going to do this with your face completely dry. So then after rubbing this in, I'm going to go ahead and head to the sink and wipe it off. So next, I'm going to be going in with the Dermalogica Skin Prep Scrub, and I only use this about once a week because it can be a little rough on your skin. So I'm just going to take, again, a little dime-sized, just about that, and I'm going to go ahead and scrub my face. Okay, so after this, I'm going to go in with the Dermalogica Multi-Active Toner, and I'm just going to spray this. It's almost out, so I'm just going to, might take a couple of sprays. Next, I'm going to be going in, yes, I'm changing products finally, with the Badescu Vitamin C Serum. And also, this can break me out, so once again, I will use this 1 to 3 times a week, just depending on how my skin is doing. And so I'm just going to do 1 and 1. I'm just going to, and it feels great. It is really rehydrating, but like I said, it can break you out, so if you're prone to breakouts, just be careful when using this. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Active Moist by Dermalogica again. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on, because this is very creamy and it just takes a little bit as well. Okay, so last but certainly not least, I'm going to be going in with the Dermalogica Eye Total Care. So I'm going to take it and just rub it between both of my ring fingers. I'm just going to pat this under my eye, where my under eye bags are, and up here, and just all around my eye area. Okay, and I'm not going to use this today because it is nighttime in my nighttime routine, but during the day in the mornings, sometimes I'll repeat some of these steps, obviously not the makeup removing steps, but the face wash and stuff. And in between my toner and my moisturizer, I will put on this sunscreen, and this is by the Skin Ceuticals, and it's sheer physical UV defense, and it's SPF 50, and it looks like this. but I will use that just so I don't get any sun damage during the day. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of my nighttime skin routine. These are some new products that I've been trying, and I absolutely love them. My skin, I was going through a rough patch moving back home and going from St. Angela water to well water. I did have a little bit of a breakout, but this has really been cleaning up my skin, if you can't tell. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this routine. I sure did. I get a lot of questions about it, and I'm so glad that I can finally share it with y'all. So if you did like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope y'all have a great day.
Even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah.